Here we've got CYRUS CS40, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select accounts. And as you can see, we are currently logged in with Google account, so let me open this one. And if you would like to remove it, if you would like to disconnect it from your device, tap on the more icon and then select remove account. Confirm that you would like to remove this account with all data connected with it by tapping on remove account. And tap on OK to confirm, draw your unlocked pattern, and that's it. As you can see, it has been removed and it is no longer connected with your CYRUS CS40. And then, whenever you would like to log in with the same account or maybe another one, just open the settings, go to the accounts, pick add account, make sure that you are connected to network, and then pick Google. And at first you have to enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case it is email address, and tap on next. Now you have to enter the password, so I will do it off the screen. Here it is, and click on next again. And now you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. If you would like to read them, just mark it, select the document that you would like to check, and here you've got all details. Tap on close then, and if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, tap on I agree. And as you can see, it has been done, so just tap on accept to confirm your selection, and that's it. You've just added Google account to your device, to your CYRUS CS40. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.